Hi, I'm Megan Kipiak. Welcome back to Bouchée, français.
And I'm Caleb Hecht. Bienvenue.
So I'm taking this art class, and you will not believe the teacher. She comes in, and she literally has paintbrushes, like, stuck in her hair, and I sometimes see her take sips from, like, her paintbrush water. Elle est vraiment un araignée sur la plafond.
She has a spider on her ceiling? What does that even mean?
Well, like, not an actual spider. Avoir une araignée au plafond means to be, like, a little crazy, but, you know, like, not dangerous, but weird.
Oh, so like in English we say, you have a screw loose.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Avoir une araignée sur le plafond, to have a screw loose. Awesome. That's it for Bouchée de Français this week. See you next week.
Au revoir.